In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add domain to Bluehost hosting. By the end, your domain will be connected to your hosting so you can start building or migrating your site with confidence. Begin by heading to your Bluehost My Account dashboard and signing in. This is your main control center for everything hosting related. Once you're in, look for the website section. This area lists your existing sites and is where you'll add new ones, so go ahead and open it. Choose the option to add website. Think of this as creating a home on your server where your domain will point. When prompted, select the choice to create a blank website environment. This sets up a clean, lightweight space without pre-installed themes or builders, which is ideal if you want full control or plan to install your own tools later. It also helps avoid clutter and keeps things fast while you connect the domain. You'll be asked for a site title. This is simply a label for your website environment and can be changed at any time, so don't worry about getting it perfect now. Use something descriptive that helps you recognize the project. If you see extra setup prompts for design or content, choose skip for now so we can stay focused on connecting the domain first. You can always circle back to customization after the connection is complete. Next, type in the domain you want to use. Enter it exactly as it's registered, including the correct spelling and extension. If you're connecting a subdomain, type the full subdomain. If your domain is registered outside Bluehost, that's fine. Just be aware that you may need to point your name servers or update DNS with your registrar afterward for everything to resolve properly. Click Continue to let Bluehost verify and prepare the connection. You'll land on the site's management view. From here, open the Domains tab. This is where you manage which domains are attached to this website environment and see any connection status messages. Finally, choose Finish Connection. Bluehost will complete the mapping on their end, and if needed, guide you through any remaining verification. It may also trigger automatic SSL setup, which can take a little time. Don't worry if changes don't appear instantly. DNS updates can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours to propagate globally. Once the connection shows as active, visit your domain in a browser to confirm it points to your new environment. From there, you can install WordPress or your preferred builder, add content, and customize your site. That's it. Your domain is now connected to your Bluehost hosting and ready to go.